How to use QANDA Premium feature. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the menu icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and then select Premium to access Premium feature. Here you can view the available subscription plans and choose one that suits your study needs. Once you subscribe, you can access features such as AI Tutor Priority, unlimited questions scans, ad-free experience, detailed step-by-step solution, and other exclusive tools. To use the premium feature, simply scan or type your question and the app will automatically provide enhanced solutions with priority processing. You can also save more questions, get faster answer, and enjoy additional study resources that are only available for premium user. Now you know how to use QANDA premium features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.